What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? Aussie Marcel here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at Calvin Klein Escape for Men and Burberry Brit Rhythm. So if that sounds good to you, let's get into the video.
Die Verbrennung der
Before all of that, my fragrance of the day, Calvin Klein Defy, the Eau de Parfum. I picked this up for about $80 Australian for 200 ml, or you could get like the 100 ml bottle of it, and at the time it was like almost 70 bucks, so it's sort of the no-brainer to go for the 200 ml bottle. Anyways, love the design. It's got a beautiful gradient from clear, it goes up into black. The gradient is like blue, so it looks very nice. It will show up on camera. It's similar to Dior Sauvage, but it's got less of the that sort of beautiful lavender quality to it, and it's got more of the that ambroxan, that sort of fake ambergris feel, and it's also got a subtle smokiness, and it actually kind of almost reminds me of orange rind or orange peel. So, as far as compliments go, this is one of the best. For $80 Australian, you're going to get something that is almost guaranteed to be popular with your mates, with your girlfriend, whatever, man. This is just a fantastic smelling fragrance. So think of smoky orange peels and you've got a good idea of what this one smells like. At least that's what it smells like to my nose. The way you interpret it may be a little different, but yeah, I think this is a great scent. Underrated. Calvin Klein make very good fragrances. Obviously, you've got your scents like CK's Euphoria, which is still popular, but lasts for 15 minutes. It's the weakest performing fragrance that I know. But then you've got fragrances like this that smell fantastic, so there you go. 2 tester strips here. Let's do Burberry Brit Rhythm first. Looks okay. It looks very similar to Burberry Brit Rhythm Intense, both of which are eau de toilettes, but this one is intense. And here it is without the cellophane. Here's the back. And this is 50 ml, 1.7 fluid ounces, and I picked this up for $59 Australian. So, for 50 ml, that isn't the best value, but it's not like Kyle's Original Musk, which is $100 for 50 ml. Almost double the price. And here's the bottle. I love it that you can actually see how much fragrance is in it. So, any fragrance bottle where you can't tell how much is in it, that is a pet peeve of mine, I've got to admit. A little aromatic coming out of the atomizer. And I just want to compare it to the intense version. They are very similar looking, except you can't see through the intense one. Try not to get them confused. Burberry Brit Rhythm Intense is very potent in how it portrays its leather. It's a very underrated scent. Alright, Burberry Brit Rhythm. Very strong atomizer. It's not as leathery as Burberry Brit Rhythm Intense, which I'm disappointed about. But it is woodier and spicier than Burberry Brit Rhythm Intense. I would say that, yeah, I would easily say that Burberry Brit Rhythm would be the more mass appealing of the two scents. It's got like this woodiness and it's got this amber feel. It's got kind of this this warmth and this roundness from the amber. And it's also got this, I can't exactly put my finger on the spice. It's not vetiver. It's almost got a cooking spice quality to it. But yeah, this one, it's a little aromatic as well. It's very nice, it's attractive, it's masculine. It reminds me a little bit of CK Defy in some aspect. There's like some, I think it's the ambroxan or the amber perhaps. That warmth, that roundness to it. But yeah, overall first impressions are pretty positive. It's a sexy smelling fragrance. Now in terms of pricing, with it being about $60 for 50 ml, that isn't the best value. This is going to be a very appealing scent for a lot of people. It's almost got a spruce kind of quality to it, like a pine quality. Very natural smelling. There's not a lot here that is artificial or synthetic. So I think it'll appeal to a lot of people. Okay, CK Escape for men. Design is typical Calvin. It's so Calvin. I'm not the biggest fan. I mean, it's not terrible. If you look at the texture of the box, it's almost got like a papyrus quality to it. It's kind of nice. And there we go. Huh. I didn't expect it to look like this. Very old school, very 90s looking. Now's the moment of truth, guys. Don't get a lot from the atomizer. CK Escape. Oh, it's way sweeter than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be like super aromatic and like citrusy. It smells like bubblegum, lads. Why are you recommending this to me? It smells like bubblegum. It smells like Big League Chew. It's not so simple as that though. There is a tiny bit of like an aromatic quality here. This actually smells like you go up to a bar of hotel soap. Like a new bar, obviously, guys. Don't be going around smelling people's soaps. You put your nose up to it and you've got like a good idea of what this smells like. It's a combination between bubblegum and soap. Aromatic. There is like a slight woodiness in the background there. Almost like a driftwood sort of vibe. This is one of the most unique fragrances I've ever smelled in my life. Is it my favorite? No, but this is crazy. It's like soap and bubblegum. Hang on, I'm just gonna try this on my hand. This can't be it. This is such a different smelling scent. It's more aromatic on the hand, less bubblegummy. Oh, it's still there though. I'm blown away by this. I would love to say more, guys, but as this is a first impressions, I can't comment on performance, sillage, things like that. So I'm just going to finish this one off by saying that both of these scents smell good. Burberry Brit Rhythm, that's going to be a compliment powerhouse for sure. That has got a sexiness to it. But CK Escape, I'm actually blown away. It's like hotel soap, but it also smells like bubblegum. I don't understand it. So, if you've ever worn Burberry Brit Rhythm before, if you've ever worn CK Escape for men before, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say about this one. This is nuts. Anyways, until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.